Hi car friends, every step I'm going to show you has been verified by professional mechanics, so relax. This can be fixed. If your Ford Focus displays the message, transmission hot, wait 5 minutes. Don't panic thinking your transmission exploded. Basically, the car is telling you, hey, I'm overheating, so stop for a while before continuing. This is a safety measure from the transmission control unit to protect the clutches and engine from serious damage. The first thing to know is that many Focus models, especially those with power shift or DCT transmissions, don't have a real temperature sensor in the gearbox. The system estimates temperature based on how the clutches are working and how much load they're under. That's why this message can appear even if the transmission isn't actually boiling, but the system thinks it is due to the stress it detects. It's common for this warning to appear in heavy traffic, going uphill slowly, or during stop-and-go driving. In these situations, the clutches work harder, generate heat, and the transmission decides it's best to pause and cool down. Many mechanics note that waiting 5 to 10 minutes or getting up to some speed usually makes the message disappear on its own. Now, if the warning shows up frequently, even when you're not in slow traffic, there could be a real problem. Mechanics agree this often points to wear in the dual clutch or internal issues in the power shift or DCT transmission. When the clutches slip more than normal, they generate real heat, and the system triggers the alert constantly. Another important factor many forget is the condition of the transmission fluid. Old, dirty, or low fluid can increase heat and make the transmission work harder than it should. That's why many mechanics recommend checking and changing the fluid regularly to prevent this message from appearing. Finally, if the message comes with serious symptoms, like the transmission not going into reverse or failing to shift properly, it's time to take the car to a specialized workshop. There, they can determine whether the dual clutch needs replacement or if a deeper transmission repair is required.